And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, it's a new school year, but old problems still exist.
Scores of students were not allowed on campus Monday morning because they disobeyed school rules about grooming.
This forced the police in Western Jamaica to beef up patrols to prevent children from loitering in areas such as bus parks.
Here's Romardo Lyons with our story.
It's that time of year again. You might be thinking back to school, but we're specifically talking about students being locked out because of grooming and attire. A concerned parent called our newsroom Monday morning. This is her son's haircut. She says he was barred from entering the school. And at St. James High School, a group of boys gathered outside the school gate. The problem? Haircuts, altered uniform, shoes. The school's chairman says in such cases, parents or guardians are to be contacted and students sent home in their care.
The code stipulates how students are to be attired. And if that code is being breached, there's an agreed way as to how it is dealt with. Now, locking students out of school is not one of the things that the board agreed with. We have discussed it at length because it's something that occurred quite a few times. I myself had to visit the school on several occasions where students were prevented from entering because some of these breaches.
It caught the attention of DSP Peter Salke, Zone 3 Commander for St. James.
I have not yet spoken with the administration as to why they have been locked out. I don't know if it has to do with dress code or late. I'm uncertain. Nevertheless, we'll have discussion surrounding this. All in all, other than that, school have been out to a smooth commencement across the parish based on my understanding this morning.
St. Andrew High School for Girls took to Instagram Sunday with this post. Quote, "Please be reminded, absolutely no edges," end quote. The caption says, "The wearing of edges is now officially banned on campus. Remember, curtains belong in the house, not on foreheads." Students were also barred at Calabar High School, with the administration citing dress code violations. Students said black hair dye, incorrect belt buckles, tight pants, and incorrect height for hair were among their violations. TVJ News understands that the breaches were highlighted during orientation. However, students returned Monday with the infractions. Now, President of the National Parent-Teacher Association of Jamaica, Stuart Jacobs, is urging parents to ensure their children comply with school rules, including those relating to grooming.
Even if you don't like the rules, even if you don't think it is fair, there's a way in which you can go about arguing these rules or arguing against these rules to be adjusted by going to your PTA meeting and speaking, or speak to your PTA president to take it to the school board. But to keep on doing these infractions and breaches, then it is not sending the right signal to as a responsible parent, and it's not a good example for your child.
This was then Education Minister Favour Williams in 2024.
We are still insisting that no child should be locked out of school because of issues with dress and grooming.
But today, the current minister, Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, says she has alerted a regional team for investigation and intervention where necessary. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.
And